Welcome back to Car Culture State. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mahindra Thar, one of the most awaited off-roaders of the year. Mahindra has taken the rugged charm of the Thar and pushed it to the next level with new features, updated styling, and better performance. Let's check out what makes the 2025 Thar a true head-turner. Starting with the design, the 2025 Thar retains its classic boxy silhouette but comes with a sharper, more aggressive front grille and redesigned LED headlights. The bumper is chunkier, giving it a tougher look, while the alloy wheels have a fresh new design, enhancing its overall stance. Mahindra has introduced new color options as well, adding more variety for enthusiasts who want to stand out. Step inside, and the cabin feels much more premium compared to its predecessor. The dashboard layout is cleaner, featuring a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. The instrument cluster has gone semi-digital, giving drivers access to essential information with a modern touch. You also get automatic climate control, cruise control, and steering-mounted controls, making the Thar more practical for everyday driving. Under the hood, Mahindra continues to offer both petrol and diesel engine options. The 2.0-liter turbo petrol and the 2.2-liter turbo diesel engines deliver solid power and torque figures, perfect for highway cruising and off-road adventures. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic. The 4-wheel drive system has been improved, ensuring better grip and stability on rough terrains. One of the highlights of the 2025 Thar is its enhanced safety package. It now comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and a rear parking camera, making it one of the safest off-roaders in its segment. The 2025 Mahindra Thar perfectly blends rugged off-road capability with modern features and safety. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone who loves iconic SUVs, the new Thar won't disappoint. That's all for today on Car Culture State. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car content. See you in the next video.